When you first get logged into Shape, you'll see your dashboard. The dashboard is going to contain all sorts of analytics. Over here on the top left-hand corner, you'll see new records. These are the new records for the last 24 hours. You'll also be able to see your recently updated records, funded loans, and your projected funding. On the top right-hand corner, you'll see upcoming events. So these are events that have been added to your calendar. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see your communication overview. This is going to show you total calls, total texts, and total emails. And on the right-hand side, you'll be able to see your call leaderboard. This is going to show you your user call activity, as well as the projected funding and funded loans. If you scroll down to the bottom here, you'll be able to see a status overview. This is going to give you an overview of the statuses within your system. And on the lower right-hand corner, you'll see the tasks. So these are the tasks that you have to complete. You can come over here and check those off as you complete them. Now, if you wanted to edit your dashboard, you'll just come up here to your settings and scroll down to System Configuration and find Dashboard Settings. From there, you'll be able to select the campaigns. You can select up to 6 campaign sources that you'd like to track on the dashboard, as well as selecting the statuses that you want to show up. And if you scroll down, you can show the status funnel overview and decide what order you want them to show up in. If you have any questions regarding your dashboard settings, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com at any time.